T-shirts, for example, are by far the best sold dropshipping products ever. But what will make your customer choose your t-shirts instead of other competitors? Especially when so many dropshipping brands are selling the exact same products that your print-on-demand platform offers, how do you ensure that your designs are top designs and people choose to purchase them? Well, this is exactly what we're going to talk about in today's video. So you want to start selling dropshipping products, right? You want to start a brand, you want to start designing products, and you want to start your own Etsy shop, your own Shopify store, and start selling. But you're probably a little confused. You don't know which designs to put in your clothing, on your t-shirts, so that people will actually purchase them. Well, I'm here to help. So the very first thing that you need to understand, it's something that I mentioned in my other videos, is that you are creating a brand. You're not just starting a business, a dropshipping business, and that's it. You're not just selling random t-shirts or random products with designs on them online. Once you get that, you're halfway there. So what does a brand entail? A purpose, a vision, a problem-solving idea, an ideal customer, and a niche, among many others, of course. So you need to focus on these first and do the basics, and then you can focus on the designs that you want to add to your t-shirts or your product. But first, your print-on-demand platform. You need to ensure that your print-on-demand platform allows you full creativity for your products and designs. And for that, I recommend using Printify. Printify offers an extensive catalog of over 900 products, from apparel, accessories, home decor, making it one of the largest print-on-demand platforms available. Their platform is super user-friendly, allows businesses or individuals to create and sell custom products without having to manage inventory or dealing with logistics and everything else. One of Printify's key advantages is the quality of their products. As you can see in these clips, their products are super high quality and they provide the best solution for your customer, whatever you want to sell. If you want to sell kids' clothing, women's clothing, men's clothing, mugs, or anything else. Printify partners with multiple print providers, ensuring that each product meets high standards in both print and material quality. In addition, they offer fast delivery, often shipping products within a few days, depending on the print provider and the customer's location, of course. That ensures that your customers will have the best experience shopping from your brand. Now, if you don't know how Printify or print-on-demand works, here's a quick recap. So Printify is a print-on-demand platform. So once your customer purchases your products, it gets printed and sent out to them by Printify. You don't have to do anything but just market the product so you can get the sales coming in. So what you have to do is go to Printify, create your account using the link below, and then choose your products from their catalog. Printify has over 900 items. You have a wide variety of options to customize, including t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, and more. Next, you need to focus on the design. After you select your product, you can click on Start Design. You can upload your custom design using Printify intuitive design tools. This tool allows you to preview exactly how your design will look on the product, and it provides mockups images that you can use on your website. Once your design is ready, you can connect Printify with your online store such as Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, whatever it is, and publish the product listing. Printify automatically syncs orders with your store, making it a seamless experience for you and your customer. Next, the order fulfillment. When somebody places an order, Printify handles the production process by sending the order to one of their print partners. The print providers print the design on the product, packages it, and ships it directly to the customer. And then the delivery happens, your customer happily receives their order, and you make profit. By selling products you don't have to keep an inventory of in a warehouse or anywhere else. So by choosing print on demand with Printify, you eliminate the investment in stock, in shipping yourself, and everything else. So that's why it is such a popular business model right now. But now, finding the right designs to add to your print-on-demand products, this requires a little bit of research, creativity, and just a little bit more research after that, because you need to ensure that your customers will look for that product or will want that product. You cannot reinvent the wheel, especially when you're starting a new business. So let me tell you a few places where you can find good keywords for products or good ideas for products that you can add to your print-on-demand business. First off, you can research trends. So you can look on different online marketplaces at trending products on platforms like Etsy, Amazon, Redbubble. Use search filters to identify best sellers in your niche, whether it's t-shirts, phone cases, or home decor. Pay attention to patterns, colors, and themes that are popular. Next, Google Trends. Use this free tool to explore search interest in specific keywords or themes. For example, if you're focusing on pet lovers, you can see how popular certain reads or related topics are over time. Next, social media. Platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok are great for spotting design trends, follow influencers and accounts related to your niche, and stay ahead of the curve. Then you can do trend-focused websites such as Trendhunter, Dribble, Behance, which showcase trending design ideas and visual styles across various industries. The next thing you could do is study your competitors, so see what's already selling online. So analyze their product offerings, their prices, their exact designs, the materials they're using, and all those things. Without copying, obviously, you just need to get inspired and see what's selling right now. Then you can read other customers' reviews, see what they love about certain products, what they didn't quite enjoy, so you can make sure that your product meets those requirements. Next, as I said, you can focus on niche markets, so focus on a certain niche. So by choosing a broad topic such as fashion, home decor, that can be a little bit too much. So you will need to find a narrow niche to start with. So it can be cat lovers, minimalist home decor, dog lovers, or things like that. Also, consider subcultures or different hobbies. So for example, gamers, travelers, plant owners, plant enthusiasts, book lovers. These groups tend to be very loyal to brands and truly reflect their interests in the way they're purchasing products. The next thing you can do is to use different tools to generate your ideas or to gather your ideas. So you can use Pinterest to create mood boards based on your niche. You can search for related keywords and see what designs are getting pinned and shared frequently. You can use Etsy, Redbubble, search bar. When you type in a keyword, both platforms auto-suggest popular search terms. It can help you discover what customers are actively searching for. And then you can use product analytics tools to identify different keywords and identify top-selling products within your niche. And then another thing you can do is to focus on popular themes. Those can be holiday and seasonal designs such as Christmas, Valentine's Day, and things like that. And of course, you need to stay inspired and keep learning about what your audience wants once you're starting in a niche. Don't hurry to expand in different niches and then in that big niche, but stay within your lane to discover more ideas for designs that your audience truly loves. Interact with them, create informational content, actually interact with your community and create products that they truly love. By combining all of these things that I mentioned, I am sure you'll be able to create a brand that your audience completely loves, and most importantly, that you love being a part of and creating for. Because I think that is the most important thing. You need to put in passion in your work, and results will come over time. Remember to use Printify using the link below to start your print-on-demand business today. And if you've enjoyed this video, I have plenty more on my channel that you can watch about how to use Printify to start an Etsy store, a Shopify store, and more. So make sure to watch these videos next. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.